Dr. Jeffrey Borer is a professor of medicine, cell biology, radiology, surgery, and public health at the State University of New York, Downstate College of Medicine, and School of Public Health. He is also an adjunct professor of cardiovascular medicine and cardiothoracic surgery at Weill Medical College and Cornell University. Dr. Borer has just recently been selected as Top Professor of the Year in Medicine for 2018 and for the Lifetime Achievement Award for 2019 by the International Association of Top Professionals, IAOTP, for his outstanding leadership, dedication, and commitment to the health field. With having over 4 decades of professional experience in cardiology and internal medicine, Dr. Borer has certainly proven himself as an extraordinary professional and expert in the field. Dr. Borer is a dynamic, results-driven leader who has demonstrated success not only as a professor of medicine, but with every position he has ever held. His impressive repertoire of prior roles include serving as director of the Howard Gilman Institute for Heart Valve Disease and the Schiavone Institute for Cardiovascular Translational Research at SUNY Downstate, where he also previously served for many years as chairman of the Department of Medicine and chief Division of Cardiovascular Medicine. Dr. Borer has been advisor to the U.S. FDA for 41 years, chaired the FDA Cardiorenal Drugs Advisory Committee for 3 terms, and the Circulatory Devices Advisory Panel for 1 term, and currently chairs the Cardiovascular Devices Committee of the International Standardization Organization, ISO, which determines manufacturing requirements and regulatory approvability standards for these devices throughout the world outside the U.S. Dr. Borer was also a life sciences advisor to NASA for 24 years, served as officer and board member of several national professional societies. He was founding president of the Heart Valve Society of America from 2004 to 2014, now enlarged into the Heart Valve Society International, of which he is a trustee. Dr. Borer was also on the board of directors for the NYC Historic Properties Fund, steering committee for the Associates of the Jewish Board of Family and Children's Services, member and trustee of the Howard Gilman Foundation, and is currently the trustee and president of the Corlett Glorny Foundation, which provides funding for training of cardiologists in medical research, and chairman of the Building Preservation Committee for the Brooklyn Jewish Center. Dr. Borer received his BA from Harvard, his medical degree from Cornell University Medical College, trained at the Massachusetts General Hospital, and then spent 7 years in the cardiology branch, NHLBI, and a year at the Guy's Hospital as Senior Fulbright Hays Scholar and Glorny Raisback Fellow in the Medical Sciences. During the latter interval, Dr. Borer completed the first clinical demonstration of nitroglycerin's utility in acute myocardial infarction following his preclinical studies in this area at NIH. Upon returning to NIH, he developed stress radionuclide cineography, enabling the first non-invasive assessment of cardiac function with exercise, and importantly thereby changing the practice of cardiology. Dr. Borer then returned to Cornell for 30 years as Gladys and Roland Harriman Professor of Cardiovascular Medicine and Chief, Division of Cardiovascular Pathophysiology. At Cornell and now at Downstate, he performs clinical service, teaching, and research, primarily in studies of regurgitant valve diseases and in clinical trials of major drug therapies. Throughout his illustrious career, Dr. Borer has received numerous awards and accolades and has been recognized worldwide for his outstanding leadership and commitment to the profession. For 2018, he was nominated and selected as Top Professor of the Year in Medicine by the International Association of Top Professionals, IAOTP. For 2019, he's being considered to be featured in TIP, Top Industry Professional magazine, and was chosen for IAOTP's Lifetime Achievement Award. In 2017, he was the recipient of the Albert Nelson Marquis Lifetime Achievement Award given by Marquis Who's Who. He received the Lifetime Achievement Award of the Heart Valve Society of America and Society of Heart Valve Disease of Europe 2014, and was selected as one of 3 legends of cardiology at the 10th Annual Complex Catheter-Based Cardiovascular Therapeutics Conference in 2014. Named among the top 1% of physicians by U.S. News and World Report. He also has been a recipient of the FDA Service Award, the Public Service Medal of NASA, and too many others to list. Aside from his successful career, Dr. Borer is a sought-after speaker, lecturer, published author, and has a patent for his method for inhibiting fibroblast growth and cardiac fibrosis. He has published more than 500 full-length scientific papers and has authored or co-authored 8 books. He has participated in various roles in numerous clinical trials of therapies and currently is editor-in-chief of the journal Cardiology. His research has been supported by the National Institutes of Health, the American Heart Association, and for many years by several large private foundations. Looking back, Dr. Borer attributes his success to his education, mentors, and examples he has had along the way, and to hard work. He says his work is very gratifying and hopes that others will consider a career in cardiology. When not working, he enjoys spending time with his family, traveling, participating in sports, attending the theater and opera, and visiting museums. For the future, he hopes to continue trying to make a difference in people's lives through his professional efforts. For more information on Dr. Borer, please visit www.downstate.edu.